So it's Easter weekend 2022, and this weekend we're doing something pretty special. Both riding C-class. Oh, oh. Brief intermission there, sorry. We're back. So I'm going to have a crack at this this section now. We'll see how we go. Hopefully the camera angle's okay. This was the first time I tried to record footage with a GoPro at a trials event. I'm using a chest mount as opposed to my normal helmet mount, and apparently I got the angles completely stuffed up. Unfortunately, most of the footage that I got over the weekend was recorded at a really poor angle that pointed down to the ground. So I do apologise for this, but I hope you'll enjoy what I did manage to record. Punchy thing here or not?
Yeah, I'm just using it. Sorry.
That's alright. So we're about 3/4 of the way through the first round, just having a bit of a look to see where other people have ridden. And you can see this line just here, there's been a few people sort of skid their back wheel out as they've been trying to go up the hill. I think I'm going to try and stay up a bit higher here instead of down on in this loose stuff, and then I should be able to get a decent run up through the next set of markers for me, which is just there and all the way over here. So I've got all of that room to get up through. The next marker for me is over near that Scotch thistle bush there. I've got all of that section to use, which is great. One of the benefits of being a Gumby. And I think I'm going to try and stay up nice and high up along here in the grass, because down here it's a bit loose and shaly. So I'm going to try and stay high. Set of gates there, into a little gully here, and then out. Easy. Let's give it a shot. Oh. One. Just put a foot down. So while I've got my foot down, I'm going to make use of that. Get myself rearranged for this next section. So that was one, plus a few Scotch thistle prickles in my fingers. They're yours?
Yeah. That's a good time.
Yeah, that far from the edge of the water.
I was just kind of...
not like that. I know that's how you meant to do it.
Good job. So we're now at the end of day 2 of the Glenmaggie Easter Trial, and it's been an absolute blast. Hell of a lot of fun. The Coleman family have put up their property, which has been fantastic. Beautiful scenery, some beautiful riding too. Big thanks to all the observers that hang out at the different sections, giving up their long weekends to watch gummies like myself try and ride the sections. Now we've just handed in our last punch card for the day, so now we're going to go back to a couple of sections and have a bit of a play around. end of day 2 of the Glenmaggie Trial. It's been a ripper weekend. Got to meet some interesting people, catch up with some old mates, and ride some pretty awesome trails. We also got to watch Tim Coleman, Anthony Solar, and a couple other A-grade riders that also do a bit of work in the hard enduro scene. If you haven't dipped your foot into trails yet, get on that computer and Google your closest club, find out when they're doing their next open day, and get in there and have a crack at it. It's a hell of a lot of fun, and it's relatively cheap as well. Most clubs have bikes that you can hire for the day if you want to come and try it out. So get into it, have a crack. See you next time. Thanks for watching.